How are you? Very beautiful. Thank you. Napakaganda. Mga kabarbers. Nice.
Ladies and gentlemen, we will proceed you to the next hall shortly. Your patience is highly appreciated. Way to the next hall, getting experiences waiting there. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your patience. Our exhibition hall number 2 is ready. Thank you very much for coming out. Enjoy our show. Thank you for your patience.
Thank you.
trade, so Thailand became a center for the region. Today, more than ever before, Thailand serves as an important hub. Let us show you more about Thailand. Follow us here on your right to get on board our drone. Let's go!
Alright, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy the rest of our exhibition as well.
Nice presentation. Good.
Thank you.
Welcome, please come inside and look on the stage. Welcome. Alright, so in this room, ladies and gentlemen, we present to you with a 360 display here. With this side right here is the front, so please make sure you're facing the front. We present to you the mobility for the future of Thailand. Let's go check it out.
Okay, now everybody is here. Welcome to our drone. If you're ready, let's go. Here's our destination, Thailand. Wow! Wow, that plane is gigantic. Safely, follow this high-speed train. Let's see who's faster. Did you know that Thai international airports can handle over 240 million passengers a year? And there's also a big center for aviation maintenance. Sure, today Thailand is a regional hub for transportation with seamless connections from water to rail to road to air. And Budiao Innovation Hub, Research Center, and Learning Center is all super modern, isn't it, Rob? Hey, where did Rob go? Did anyone see Rob? Let's go in and find him. Oh, here you are. What are you doing, Rob? I came to see how to make bioplastics. They disintegrate naturally to protect the environment. Biochemistry is one way to add value to farm products for future industry and to help preserve our planet. Oh no! We got caught! Oh! Hurry up! This way! Whoa! We're in an high-speed fiber optic cable. Let me take you to our signature spot, Thailand Sea. Amazing, isn't it? Yeah, that's why you must visit. Hey! Let's look at lobsters. Be careful, Russ. Let's get out of here right away. Ow! Ow! Budiao is one of smart cities in Thailand that uses technology to improve quality of life. Oh my! There's a patient being rushed to the hospital. Let's go see if we can help. Who is the doctor, Mali? Do you see that robot? That is the doctor. It's controlled by a real doctor who is in Chiang Mai, another Thai smart city. Really? Yes, it's long-distance surgery with 5G infrastructure. Things are more convenient, like teaching, learning, and logistics. Thailand is a world-class medical hub with more than 3.4 million foreign medical. Great! Well, now the patient is safe. Let's try to see something else. We almost crashed. Oh goodness! Where is the water coming from? Oh, that's it. Smart farming uses digital
Send the exit door. Thank you very much.
To reboot your spirits and to return home with a happy
Thailand
mind.
as prime destination.
So now you know why visitors fall in love with our country.
Right, and some of those visitors decide never to leave. They live in Thailand for good.
Let's look at some stories of foreigners who stayed.
I am here because of Muay Thai. Muay Thai is more than a sport for me. Muay Thai is more than martial art for me. Muay Thai is my life.
Oh, that's amazing. For me, I first came to Thailand to eat and to travel. Just as excited about the spicy, the balance, and the diversity of Thai food.
I came to Thailand with my family 58 years ago. I've never regretted that decision that I chose to stay in Thailand.
I was delighted to receive the Prince Pavilion Award. It was a fantastic recognition of the achievements. I'm a great admirer of the Thai health system, that everyone can get access to good care.
I'm locally in so many countries, but I decided to study my business in Thailand because I believe in the country potential.
I always dreamed of retiring here since I first visited in 1994. So we retired and moved here, and it was the best decision we ever made.
مملكة تايلاند بلد جميل جدا. لا يكمن سحره في طبيعته أو في أماكنها الأثرية، بل يكمن في طيبة الشعب التايلندي.
Just give me a business opportunity. It also gave me an opportunity to meet my best friend, like a brother from another mother.
The Thai people are what brought me here, and that's what keeps me here. It gives me this deep sense of comfort, and I just couldn't imagine living anywhere else.
أينما كنت ما تشعر بالغربة أبدا، تشعر وكأنك في منزلك.
Thai people have not only shared with me their amazing food, but also the value of eating together.
I want to thankful my Thai friend in Thailand to become what I am today.
If it wasn't for Thailand, I wouldn't be who I am today. I'm very thankful for Thailand helping me and my company to achieve what we did. I'm proud to be Thai.
The heart of Thailand is Thai people, and our people have empowered our mobility. Our way of life, culture, and hospitality bring millions of foreigners to visit.
Absolutely. So come and visit and you see for yourself. Sawadee.
Alright, thank you very much. ขอบคุณค่ะ The staff will be at the exit of the door. Hope you enjoy. Enjoy your day. Have a great day. ขอบคุณค่ะ
Thailand is a unique, kind,